Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is I'm showing you our new couch set that we got and a little bit of some Target finds, some fall decor that I did, just a bunch of random other stuff. But if you want to see our new couch and how it's set up and all these other things I'm going to show in this video, then keep watching. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. And I want to show you the shirt that my sister-in-law made. We have a Instagram page. We make shirts, we make custom cups. Here's one of the shirts. It says Friends, and it's a Halloween shirt, so it also has all the friends in the back. And it could be in the front, the friends in the front, or it could be in the back like how mine is. And yeah, you could do any kind of color, any color shirt. So if you want to order a shirt from us or a custom cup, I will have the link down below, and you can follow, like, and get yourself a cup or a shirt, or you could just see what we have in stock or what we have designed. And yeah, so keep watching so you can see our new couch and some great things we found at the yard sale, and some fall decor that I've done, and some little house updates as well.
Can I go?
Yes. They cannot see you.
Hi guys. So we have a lot of stuff, and if you want to see your couch, we have a lot of things, and I have the shirt and the pink one, and also my thing brought it for me. But if you guys want to show us kind of show, just gonna be on your eyes thing. Yeah, so we have like my nails, and we can still make over. And if you want to be or don't want to be.
Here's a little before of our living room. This is our old couch from our apartment. It was a perfect size for our apartment, but not for our home. It's a little on the smaller side. Like I said, it's for an apartment, so we needed a bigger couch, which is what we got. But what we got was way bigger than we expected, which is still fine. And it fits comfortably into our living room area. It's a little bigger than we wanted, but it's still a good fit. And that blind right there, our dog broke it, so that needs to be fixed. And this is our carpet from the previous owner. We're gonna rip this out, and as of now just leave it as a concrete until we have the time to fix it. We're getting our new living room set today.
Acá, se nos duerme. Se acababa, empezó, ya estaba. Y luego miraba.
They installed our couch. It's so much huger. It overlaps. Here's one of our coffee tables. Our two side tables that we're going to put in our room. The two lamps we're going to put in our room. The rug. Accessories. Excuse me. Frame, a tray. And we got 3 little blankets.
I got to make out a bunch of white rice.
And I didn't know they came with the pillows.
I'm just sitting here. Yes, I know it's a trouble. I know it's exactly right. Actually doing. It's just not exactly. I'm sitting on this part. Looking at this.
Okay, so for now, this is what our living room area looks like. Our dog broke this when somebody rang the doorbell. She came to the window to see who it was, and she broke that. So we do have a new one, but we still haven't installed it yet. And I got a stay a while sign to put up here. It's kind of the same as our welcome home sign that's outside in front of our doorbell, but this one is white with black lettering and the other one was black with white lettering. I'll show it in a bit. I have this tray at the bottom with diapers, wipes, baby powder, and a charger, so I don't have to go to the room and grab it when we're out here. I need to dust this all off and vacuum. We've had the couch for maybe 2-3 weeks now, I think, and we've been very busy, so we haven't vacuumed. The last time we vacuumed was maybe other day, so we gotta vacuum again and dust this up. And on this little side table, I put the candle, my daughter's Halloween pictures. I actually made these little pumpkin frames myself. I had no idea what to do with these, so I just put them in this little container thing. And I have my fall decor here. And this was a little DIY as well. And so was that. I painted myself, and also this was a DIY as well. And these were painted, I think, last Halloween or 2 Halloweens ago. I'm not sure, I can't remember. I had no idea what to do with these, so I put them here on the fireplace frame. I had made this when we lived at the apartment. My fiance had got me this rose, and it's supposed to live for a year. We will see. My daughter painted these. There was one more, but it broke, and I don't know what happened to it. I think my daughter threw it away, or she hid it somewhere. I don't know. But those are 2 that she painted. We have it there. We have this little light house thing. There's no batteries in it, so it doesn't light up yet. I have this little bucket where I throw my blankets in there. Nobody ever really even uses those blankets, so it's more like a decor bucket. Oh yeah, I want to show this real fast. So we've a neighbor down the street was throwing this out, so I grabbed it and we did this with it, like a little coffee station. This is just there temporarily. This is not gonna stay like that. I just had no idea what to do with it, and it was empty, so I just filled it up. But it looks like this. All of this was from the dollar section at Target, so all that, and also this and this. I have another one in the kitchen. This one here. The picture frame that came with the couch and everything, this is the picture frame. And I had my sister-in-law make me this vinyl, and I just put it onto a brown paper bag and did that. So this is what this looks like. I also made this myself as well. This was last year at the apartment. That was why it has the number 63 on there, because our apartment number was 63.
And this is what I was talking about, the welcome home. And these, we're gonna make a wood decking here. So that's why we have all these wood planks here. We just got all of our extra rocks and put it around the trees. Got some cow manure because I am planting. So this is what we're doing over here. Got all the weeds pulled out. I also made this as well last year. I just stuck it there at the window. I didn't know what to do with it. I can't remember if I said in the last video that I took of the day that they were bringing in the couches. I don't remember if I said that we were pulling out the carpet because it was disgusting. The people that lived here before us, it was not well taken care of or anything, so, and it smelled really bad. So we tried everything with carpet cleaner, vacuums, scrubbing it. It just did not help. So we decided to just rip it out for now. So this is what it looks like. It's just concrete, and for now it looks fine, I guess. And we have this here to keep the dog out because it's a new couch. We don't want her climbing all over it, even though she knows how to jump over and jump there, so it doesn't really even help. It's already been like maybe 3-4 times that I've waken up to let her out to go potty, and I've seen her laying there on the couch. That's our old couch. It's there. She's been laying on there too, but we had to take that out to put outside in the bag because that's not gonna stay in here. This is our TV stand area. Like I said, we need to clean, we need to dust. It's been a while since we've dusted, but vacuuming like 2-3 days ago, I don't know. But yeah, don't mind the mess, please. So it looks like this down here. That's our old dog, Bentley. I love giraffes, so I had to incorporate a giraffe there. This is my daughter when, what was it, her second birthday, her photo shoot that I did for her. Right here. Just like the pictures up here. I have one in her room. Here we just have a bunch of DVDs, not much, but the DVDs we have. And this is my fiance's spot, the Wi-Fi router, his games, his notebooks and stuff. He has more stuff inside the room that should probably be out here, but that's fine. And this is just our camera system and our Wi-Fi router stuff. But yeah, that is what it looks like. And the coffee table, we did get 2 side tables. Obviously there's no room in here for the 2 side tables and the 2 lamps, so we brought this one out and this light out, and the other ones we put out into our bedroom, but I will show you that in a bit. My fiance's still asleep, so I'm not gonna video that while he's asleep. My daughter's toys are everywhere. She's over there, probably gathering more toys to bring out here. My brother's wife had got me this, and I'm gonna put it maybe outside in the front yard with my plants. I'm still debating where I want to put it first. I do want to put trim on this wall to make it like a barn door. I got this sign at the 99. Also found this little table stand that I can DIY and put in my daughter's room. So we got this dining table at the yard sale yesterday for $40. I wanna stain this. I wanna sand this down and then restain it, and maybe paint the bottom like black color or something. It looks like this looks really cool. These 4 chairs were from our old dining table. These 4 chairs were from this, and only one of them has an arm, but I like this. We'll probably paint this and kind of sand it to distress it and change this out for something else, maybe like buffalo plaid or something. And our old dining table, I had no idea where to put it, so it's here for now. And it looks so much smaller now compared to that one. It's still very plain. So I do want to take these 4 chairs out with my old dining table and put it outside in a backyard for seating area in a backyard, and then I want to put a bench here instead and keep these 4 on this side, I guess, and then get 2 other chairs to put on the ends here, and I think it would look really nice that way instead. So just stay tuned for that video, because I want to make a video of me refurbishing this piece. My brother already brought his sander to my mother's house, so I'm gonna have to go pick that up so I can sand this down and hopefully either restain it, or if the color underneath is really nice, I'd keep that and just clear coat it and then paint the bottom like a distressed black or maybe white, I don't know yet. And then whatever bench we get, I want to actually probably make a bench, unless if I can find one that will fit here, and then stain it the same as the top color if we do decide to stain it. And then these chairs, whatever I decide to paint the bottom, I'd want to paint these and then also distress it as well. And these down here, I'm debating maybe buffalo plaid or I don't know yet. But if you have any ideas, comment down below what you think would look nice. But for now, that's kind of my idea. Bugs me that it's not centered with the light, but it's fine, I guess. You got these at the yard sale. And ordered this online.
But why we're not opening it? Maybe something.